Welcome to Stoner Bros. Today, he already got a little bit high already, but
and a little bit drunk.
I'm a little drunk, and we're starting to smoke for the vid.
For the vid. That's what we're calling him nowadays?
Vids, yeah. Don't forget to use our green one. I can't find it. Fuck. Oh, I found it. Yes.
That's some good shit. Doesn't taste so good when the buds go in your mouth, though.
Unless you're into that shit. Which would be weird, actually. If you were into weed going in your mouth.
It's still green.
Yeah. That's yours. This is mine.
That one's an old one.
It's so nice to be able to do what you want without worrying about people yelling at us.
Yeah, I know, right? Or
I know, and then he's like, yeah, once I get the house, you can come back, but your friend can't. I was like, then I'm probably not coming back.
yeah, I don't think their family moved in.
Yeah, no, they definitely didn't. Oh, yeah, you fixed it. I think they're just looking for an excuse to kick us out.
Yeah, which is illegal.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, especially during this month, like this early in the month, that year. It's illegal to kick people out like that. That's what I get for not signing a fucking lease.
You remember when you went in, I was like, next time you should get a lease.
Oh shit. Fucking bitch. Stepped on my toe.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have such big fucking toe.
Alright, now we're gonna roll dice to see who's next. Bitch.
Literally, you pushed it away every single time after you did it.
Player to your left, so me.
Me. Like how you rolled the dice and it literally had no effect.
Okay, let's see. Player to the right. That's me.
That's me. Bitch.
Did you turn the fan to high?
I'm already high, Nate. I'm our only fan.
You could have just said yes.
Oh. But I didn't want to.
Okay, let's see who's next. Player of your choice. Me. And Tyler.
Do you think I get scared?
Yeah. Just don't actually go "Ah," with it anymore. Did you get her?
She's laughing now.
Damn it!
I'm gonna get you. I'm outside your window, by the way. Would you mind letting him? Yeah, please let me in. Yeah, because I can't walk another 4 hours, which turns into like a full month back, you know. gonna just live in your bedroom, okay? Don't think your parents would approve. Oh fuck. I'm on video right now. I can't really talk about this shit. Hold on, I'll be back.
I'm on video. Alright, let's see who goes next.
Me.
All players.
I was gonna smoke anyway. What's you play the game, man?
Did you break it?
It's just a little comedy. Sucking.
Look at the front of this fucking pipe, dude. It's so cool.
It looks like a penis.
Look at the camera. What's it? Tyler can't be seen in the video. In this world,
As we
that
know
is
it.
free. Take this it's a man. What's it? Trent.
That lighting looks spectacular.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Look at my titties. You got big titties.
I didn't look actually. I looked at your finger.
No proof, Nate. That just shows your eyes looking down. We don't know how far. What are you doing, Nate?
You're staring at my car.
That was so funny yesterday. I got you like every single time. I think it was like 3 that I didn't get you in.
Oh no!
Why are they on the floor?
What?
You dropped your balls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, they're raising up again. Yeah.
Imagine the neighbors hearing that. Yeah, yeah. Just go.
Yeah. Damn, failed again. I failed again.
Let me try. I'll wait for a perfect opportunity. She's not used to it coming twice very fast.
Yes, I picked my nose, guys. At least I didn't eat it.
Hold this real quick. She just fucking laughs. Damn it. Esse. Esse.
That's fucking racist, Nate. Give me that. Your most prized possession, your toe hair.
Self-defense. How did that happen?
Go like this. Bean dip. Oh god.
Brandon.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, Nate.
Kids are on.
do that again. Dude, I'm literally.
It lights it? Wait, hold it down after you.
I don't think that'll work. Let's see.
You could try. No, I think that's how it works, man. Just hold it down after it gets lit.
Bro, we might almost burn down Motel 6, but that was good. Dude, I gotta show Sarah this.
Just tell her to watch the video.
She won't watch it. So I don't even know if she's still subscribed. Bro.
Is Marie subscribed?
No.
You should have her
She will
subscribed.
be. Thanks for the light, bro. No, that's how you smoke weed. Dude, we're such idiots. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro?
You were supposed to let me light your lighter, and then you were supposed to
Oh.
God, that's how you take a hit.
We did.
Beat miss!
Barely, I nicked it.
Beat it!
Bitch!
You want a titty twister?
Yes, please.
I'm not gonna do that now.
Looks every time.
What? Let go of my lighter, man.
Let go of your mom.
Your lighter's right there. Oh, how I love you. Marijuana.
Bitch. Cunt. Wanker.
That's racist. Only British people are allowed to say
Wanker.
whatever the fuck you say. Wank.
Hey, can you hear me? Can I get a oh yeah?
Bro, that was loud as fuck. Seriously. You didn't mute it, by the way.
I know.
You did. You just unmuted it.
No, I didn't. Yeah, it's muted. How I love you. Marijuana. Marijuana. Wait, but isn't that a copyrighted song?
They don't know what song we're singing.
Right. Knuckles, bro. I'ma fucking burn your hand off.
I punched the flame out. And the flame cancel punch women. See?
Nipple.
Nipple. Your nipple just gets really hard.
Who says they're not hard?
Yeah, they're hard.
They're
I
not.
can see that one.
What the fuck? We swear we're not gay.
Yeah.
Do you know what sounds good right now?
Man.
Women, I tell you.
It's primary.
Look at my muscles that I don't have.
It actually looks really muscular on the camera.
Dude, I know.
Let me check. Oh, yeah.
Dude, those are hard. They're like... See you texted me.
I didn't even realize you were squeezing my arm.
Show it to the camera, whatever it is.
John. Oh, it was John. I fucking said it was John. Call him. And then call him a bitch and then hang up.
No, we don't do that shit on our YouTube videos, Nate.
Lucky I can't find my phone.
Yeah, because I have it right here.
Thanks, bro. That didn't help me find my phone.
Whoever sits down first is a penis head.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I can't find my fucking phone tonight.
Hey, I did something bad.
Fucking phone tonight. Oh,
We're
no.
having a little technical high difficulty.